The £9.3 million project to build a new primary school in Caernarfon is on track, and it looks as if we're going to be ready for the new school to open in Easter 2012. It's a big project that's been funded jointly by Cyngor Gwynedd and the Welsh Assembly Government. This is certainly going to be the greenest school in Gwynedd and will be amongst one of the greenest schools in the country. What do I mean by a green school? Well, the building techniques that are being used are environmentally friendly. We're using the absolute highest level of insulation to make sure that no energy escapes. A quarter of the school's energy is going to be created from on site, and we'll be recycling rainwater.
It was just such an exciting prospect. Just thinking about where the children are at the moment, the building isn't appropriate, it's not good enough. They have to get by in education in these old buildings and these old rooms, and they're going to go in just a year's time from now to a brand new building with all these facilities and all the green opportunities, and they'll be able to see this at work and see that how it really affects their daily lives. And I think for what they have to tolerate, the teachers and the children now, it's going to make such a difference to the quality of their education.